gonna get aggressive with me, Wendy? Wendy? You excited, babe?
I'm very excited. It's exciting. It's another exciting day.
Another exciting day. We are headed to what probably is not the final, but one of the last pieces of the puzzle of Piney Grove. So we're gonna turn off the camera, focus on driving, and we'll see you when we get there.
Hi, how are you? Hi, oh my gosh, look at you. She's like, hey, would you like to meet me?
Yes.
Oh, look at her. It's so funny because I swear Chief has grown so much in the past 10 days. We're like, he looks big, but then when I see him in video, I'm like, he's not that big.
He's still tiny, yes.
But she's tiny.
Yes.
Tiny thing, you want to run? Where you going? You're just such a sweet girl. Yes, you are. Oh, goodness, with the chin scratches. Yeah.
I'm just trying to remember if he was that small.
He wasn't that thin. I mean, he wasn't, she's more narrow. And she's got longer legs. She's just so cute.
Feeds bush hog, and then in the
This is so nice, Wendy. This is so nice.
we've gotten the
So Daddy is 39 inches?
Yes.
Okay. Oh
Are
my
huge.
gosh.
That's full size though, Wendy.
They are not. They look full size, but if you put a full size cow up to them, you would see, or even a horse.
So
Are they
beautiful.
friendly? No?
Some are more friendly than others, and they're a little bit.
Where's Mama?
A little bit pushy.
Pushy.
So these are Highlands.
Yes.
And that's a full-grown Highland.
Yeah,
Hi.
she's a little stinker.
Oh, you're a stinker.
Yeah.
You're a stinker and you got big
She's
horns.
a little stinker?
Yeah.
So all of these are Highlands?
Yes.
The bull's over there chewing his cud, laying down?
This is Bonnie getting up. She's our sassiest. She's a stinker, and she will, if you don't feed her, she will hit you with her horn.
Okay, so they're short-legged is what they are.
Yes.
And they are well fed, Wendy.
Okay, so this is Chief's mama here.
Right here?
Yep.
That's Chief's
This
mama.
is her.
Look
Chief
at you,
was
beauty.
Her first baby. Yeah.
Hey, Andy's going to get aggressive with me, Wendy? Wendy? They going to get aggressive? Oh, that's the bull?
No, where's
That
Mama
is
again?
how
That's
big
Mama
our
right
bull's
there?
going to get.
Mama is.
And they're miniature cows, and
This
I
one's
guess
Mama.
they're
That's this
smaller
one.
than
That's
regular
Chief's
cows
mama.
for sure, but they're still pretty big.
Holy cow.
Deborah,
Wha-
what you thinking?
I'm thinking, hi, bud.
You thinking,
Hi, bud. I'm
thinking not as miniature as you thought?
I was thinking, what size was I thinking? I was thinking, like
They're
this
beautiful.
size, they are gorgeous. Like, actually, like the one back there in the woods far, I was thinking that size.
Like our biggest. See,
Oh.
she's a mess pot. And like Pearl, let me see. If
Here,
I
look
can
to your
come
right,
up
babe.
to
Look to your
Pearl.
right.
Oh,
Yes.
I can't pet them.
Yeah. Well, let me just move. Some of them can.
Look out behind you, Wendy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get back. Get back.
they're so pretty.
And I promise, when
They're
you get
so
them up
pretty.
to a normal size cow, you'll say yes, they are tiny. But they are. That's why you want them as babies.
Yep.
And they're not as intimidating.
Yeah, babies. Baby, you like the chin
So that one's, is that a bull?
Pearl.
Yes, this is the bull.
Oh, okay.
This is our bull. And he'll let you. And that one is actually Charlie's mama with the straight ones.
Really?
Yes, and you see she just had a baby. And she
Hey, yeah, they're all
What-
different.
Which
That's
one's
so-
Chief's mama? Right here, the wide-horned one?
Uh-huh. Yep.
All right, so
Oh,
that's
that's
Chief's
Chief's
mama.
mom.
Uh-huh.
Pretty.
So she's got straight hair, and this one over here has curly hair.
Yeah.
Is that
It's-
just a normal trait?
I
or-
love it. I love it. So right now, Chief's curly.
Right, but
now.
that's Chief's mom right
I
there.
know,
so,
but you
so
don't know
he-
what Chief's dad.
Yep.
Oh yeah, the dad could bring it.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
yeah, because he's curly. I told Brad, I said, it's like he's got a bad toupee. It's the cutest thing. That's awesome. They're so
I mean, I guess they're,
yeah,
definitely
look at
smaller, when you get your
Yes.
son next to them.
Yeah, absolutely.
But when we first rolled up, I was
Exactly.
like, they look pretty darn big.
Yep.
And
Well,
if you bottle feed them and you're friendly with them, then
Yes,
this is what you'll
is a
probably
bottle
end up
fed
with.
baby, yes.
And the rest of them aren't.
Yes, you're right.
Okay.
But the other ones are just as sweet. They're just a little intimidating sometimes when they want food.
Chicken finger.
I was
Chicken
gonna love
finger,
on
we're
you,
going to
chicken
give you
finger,
some
but-
space.
Yeah, you can tell them. Come here, baby. Yep. Come here, baby.
You going to eat my camera? I mean, they're
knows no
beautiful, but
boundaries.
intimidating with those horns,
Yeah, we're gonna disbutt him
Yep.
because what he does now is he likes to. You see my
Oh,
shin?
he loves the
Yes.
butt.
See my
Yeah.
shins?
Yes,
He well he
absolutely.
rubs. He rubs his head all over my
does he do it?
legs.
How does he do it?
He rubs his head all over my legs, and I'm like,
This is beautiful back
oh,
here.
it's amazing. So this boy, girl, not pregnant or pregnant?
She should be due again next June. She
Okay.
had a baby last June.
Okay.
So she's I hope she's bred, but she's not. She's more fat than baby.
Oh, I got you.
What about this one?
That's the bull.
Oh, bull.
Uh-huh.
Now, he's got the greatest hair.
He does.
He's got the greatest
Oh
hair.
my
See, they
goodness,
just
those
like-
horns. But that's a big old head. Is Chief going to get a head like that?
He may.
As far as that big?
Well, his head's already big.
Yes.
He's already got a
And
big
that's
head.
what you were saying about the difference in Chief and Charlie, because look at the girl's
Yeah.
head,
Oh, okay.
the
Yeah.
slenderness,
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
opposed to the bull's head. So
Yeah.
sometimes when they drop
You're
as
something.
a baby, you can kind of look at their shape of their head and say, okay, I think that one is going to be a bull calf.
Gosh,
Pretty
they're
girl.
beautiful. They're just
Yeah?
beautiful.
Your head nodding? You like the protein, huh?
Look at those skinny legs. Is this one pregnant?
Yeah.
You got them skinny legs. Look at her horns.
Going home. What's going on back there, babe?
I got a cow. I got a distressed cow.
Is there some issues? Is there some things going on?
There's things going on that back end. I'm glad I got this end. I got the cuter end, but the back end's been doing some things.
Been busy, huh?
Yeah, the back end. Oh yeah, there's the back end she wanted to show you.
All right, we're almost home. Official guys, we now have a herd. Well, I guess we have a mini herd of mini cows out here at Piney Grove, and bringing this one home was a little bit more eventful than bringing Chief home. I'll let Deb tell the story because she was in the back with it, because I'll let Deb tell everything about it as far as what it is, name, and all that stuff.
Well, what she is a girl, and she is another mini Highland. She is Chief's half sister, and she is 2.5 weeks old. She'll be 3 weeks old in about 3 days. So she is a little Spitfire. She is completely different than Chief. Chief is chill. I mean, he's stubborn and laid back. This little girl is spicy and sassy and energetic, and she makes Chief look like a big oaf. But with all that personality, when we brought Chief home, he sat in the back seat with me, and he was totally chill the whole time. Totally chill. No accidents, no nothing, just literally chill.
So when Deb says back seat, in the back seat of my pickup, we put some cardboard down on the seats, then we put a tarp in there, and then we put a bunch of beach towels in case there was any accidents. And Chief had zero accidents.
Charlie is not Chief. So Charlie, we didn't even get 100 feet away, and she pooed. And she pooed and peed before we even put her in the car, the truck. She pooed, and then she pooed again, and she pooed again, and then she peed. So the entire way home, bless her sweet little nervous heart, she, I guess halfway home, she continued to have little bursts of pee and poo. And I know it's just nerves, right? We know it's just nerves. She'd never been in a vehicle before. She was taken from the people that she knew, and she's put in a vehicle, and it is stressful for her. They told us about that with Chief, that it could stress him, and it didn't. We hoped that we'd be as lucky with her, but we're letting her decompress in here for a little bit, get that harness off her. We're going to introduce her to Chief here pretty quick, and then we're going to leave him alone and let her completely decompress, because it's been a stressful day.
Yes, it has been a stressful day for the little girl, but we're going to let her chill for a bit. Then we're going to show you her meeting Chief, because they used to be in the same pen together just a couple weeks ago, and then we'll close out the video.
Clean up from Charlie Transport.
Saved the truck, though.
It did save the truck. We're grateful that it was only a 20-minute drive.
You going to get Chief? Put him in there?
Yep, let's get Chief. Got you a surprise, old man.
Chief's chilling where he can see who's coming and going.
He may not want to get up. He's had a lazy morning. Hey, buddy, you want to get up and go see your surprise? You want to go see your surprise? No, you've been lazy today.
We got Chief.
Look. Stay, Belle. Look, come on. Look.
Gosh, look how much bigger Chief is.
Oh. Oh.
He's scared of her.
That's not what I expected.
Right?
Hey,
Get in there, Chief.
Come here,
Get in
buddy. Come here.
Get in there.
There you go, Bubba. You be nice to her. You be nice to your little sister.
Look how much bigger he is than her.
2 weeks.
2 weeks difference, and of course he's a bull. So they used to share a pen, didn't they?
They shared a pen for one night because they just put her in the pen with him, and we picked him up the next day. And I don't know if she's ever been, since he left, she's never been with anybody either. So this is new for both of them. Look at them. It's funny because he never missed a beat with Bella. He never pulled back from Bella.
Yeah, that's right. He was pulling back.
He was pulling back like, no thank you. There's a stranger in my pen. And now she's unsure. What you think, Bubba?
Well, that wasn't what we were expecting. We were kind of expecting like more playfulness or whatever, but Chief actually didn't want to come in the pen in the beginning. But then they nosed and smelled each other, and I think that's a good sign there that Charlie is getting adjusted, because she laid down and she's nibbling on some grass. That's going to do it for today's video, guys. Be sure to stay tuned as the two of these continue to work on their reunion, and we work to get this into the perfect home for them. Right now, I think we have a pretty good barn. We got a pretty good stall set up, thanks to Tartar. But we got a lot of work to do on fencing. There's going to be a lot of videos coming up of me working that area there, and also as we I don't know, develop a plan for our fencing so that they're not constantly in the same place. So all that's coming up, along with just the general everyday life of having a Highland cow. I'm going to turn it over to Deb, let her close out the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching us and our baby cows, and we hope you continue to watch us, because they're going to do nothing but get cuter and more animated. But until the next video, we hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. God bless. And as Brad would say, watch these two videos here. They're pretty awesome.
Yeah, watch those two videos, man. Change your life.